They used to laugh. They said Chinese cars were copies, cheap, unreliable. They said they'd never last 10 years, never survive the deserts, never win the trust of real drivers. For decades, this was the accepted global truth, a convenient dismissal of a rapidly rising industry. But behind the mockery, a quiet revolution began. Factories evolved into world-class laboratories. Engineers became meticulous artists. What started as imitation transformed into relentless, quality-driven innovation. Today, the same world that once mocked Chinese vehicles now watches in silence as these machines conquer global reliability tests, dominate warranty charts, and win the trust of drivers on every continent. The quality gap has not just closed, it has, in many categories, vanished. According to recent J.D. Power reports, the average initial quality of Chinese domestic brands is now within single digits of major global brands, and many outperform the veterans in long-term dependability. This is the definitive story of China's most reliable car brands, machines built not only to impress in the short term, but to endure for decades. And before we start, make sure you subscribe so you never miss these breakdowns. Number 10. XPeng, the software-defined pioneer. XPeng began with a bold vision: software first, hardware second. Early models faced criticism for glitches and rough finishes, but XPeng did something rare. They listened aggressively. Every complaint became data. Every failure became an opportunity for an OTA-driven fix. Today, models like the G6 and G9 are praised across Europe and Asia for their mature, rock-solid software and strong build quality. Their SEA 2.0 architecture even uses predictive diagnostics to prevent mechanical failures before they happen. XPeng shows that in the EV era, reliability begins not with metal, but with code. Number 9. NIO, the confidence ecosystem. NIO doesn't just sell cars, it sells long-term confidence. Their vehicles endure thousands of battery swaps and millions of monitored kilometers while maintaining exceptional uptime. Every NIO is watched by a 24/7 cloud diagnostic network that identifies issues before drivers even feel them. Their battery swap system protects long-term battery health, and partnership with CATL ensures longevity well beyond industry norms. Models like the ES8 and ET7 are built for endurance-focused drivers who value long-term stability over flashy performance. Number 8. Zeekr, luxury that endures. When Geely created Zeekr, the mission was clear: electric luxury built to last. The Zeekr L1 stunned early buyers not just with speed, but with uncanny build consistency. No rattles, tight panel gaps, and long-term structural integrity. Built on the SEA platform, shared with Volvo and Polestar, Zeekr vehicles endure extreme climate testing and rigorous engineering standards. They've earned a reputation as the Chinese Volvo of EVs: safe, solid, dependable. Number 7. Changan Auto, military-grade heritage. Changan is one of China's oldest automakers, shaped by decades of military-grade engineering. Their modern lineup, CS75 Plus, DePaul SO3, Uni K, has earned a reputation for long-term stability and predictable maintenance costs. Their Blue Core engines set a Guinness World Record by running at full throttle for 259 consecutive hours without wear. Changan's reliability comes not from trends, but from decades of discipline. Number 6. SAIC, MG and Maxus, the global industrial heart. SAIC is a global powerhouse, operating joint ventures with Volkswagen and General Motors. Their brands, MG and Maxus, benefit from international engineering standards blended with Chinese manufacturing efficiency. The MG4 EV and MG ZS are among Europe's top-selling EVs, backed by long warranties and low running costs. Maxus vans are trusted by fleets worldwide, proving that SAIC's scale is matched by its reliability. Number 5. GAC Aion/Trumpchi, the Toyota-trained perfectionist. GAC doesn't boast, they perfect. Their partnerships with Toyota and Honda deeply shaped their production discipline. Trumpchi models consistently score among the highest in J.D. Power's quality studies. Their testing process simulates millions of kilometers before a vehicle launches, and their hybrid systems follow the same long-life philosophy that made Toyota famous. It's no coincidence that GAC cars are favorite choices for taxis that rack up 300,000 to 500,000 kilometers with minimal issues. Number 4. Geely, the global engineering empire. Geely transformed from a budget automaker into one of the strongest engineering forces in the world. Owning Volvo, Polestar, and Lotus brought decades of global reliability expertise directly into Geely's DNA. Today, their powertrains are co-developed with Volvo engineers, ensuring world-class durability. Models from the Coolray to the premium Galaxy lineup are known for stability, low maintenance costs, and long-term trust across more than 20 global markets. Number 3. Hongji, prestige that endures. Hongji, the legendary red flag, has long been the official vehicle for presidents and state leaders. Failure was never an option. Their testing standards rival military protocols, with redundant electronic systems and intense multi-point inspections. Modern models like the H9 and EHS9 combine luxury with state-level endurance, proving that prestige doesn't have to sacrifice longevity. Number 2. Chery, the unbreakable global pioneer. Chery earned its reputation not in perfect roads, but in some of the harshest environments in Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. Their ACTEC engines are award-winning, simple, durable, and easy to maintain. The Tiggo 8 Pro and Arizo lineup have proven themselves over millions of global kilometers. Chery's cars aren't built for show, they're built for survival, making them one of the most globally trusted Chinese brands. Number 1. BYD, build your dreams, built to last. BYD is reliability in the electric era. Their Blade battery is the safest and most durable EV battery ever mass-produced, surviving crush tests, nail penetration, and extreme heat without fire or smoke. BYD's vertical integration means they design almost every major component themselves: motors, controllers, chips, battery cells, allowing perfect harmony and minimal mechanical stress. This is why fleets worldwide, from European buses to Asian taxis, have logged over 1 billion kilometers with astonishing uptime. BYD doesn't just build cars, they build machines engineered to endure for generations. A decade ago, reliable Chinese cars were a joke. Today, the roads echo with Chinese-built engines and EV motors that simply refuse to quit. These brands didn't just fix quality issues, they reinvented reliability from the ground up. True reliability is not about mileage on a test track. It's about trust in real life, year after year, heat after cold, road after road. And the world is finally realizing that China didn't just catch up, it outlasted. If you're enjoying this deep dive, hit that subscribe button because more eye-opening automotive breakdowns are on the way. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next episode.